If you would describe Hilti Digital in 3 words.
Bright future.
Innovation.
Growth.
Hilti developed a clear vision of where we wanted to be in the digital space.
We started with a mindset of really trying and learning and also failing and then taking the right conclusions.
That's not an easy path, but it's a really good path.
We start by actually going to the construction customers and we try to gather the real requirements. And based on those real requirements, our teams are able to build out the right software with the right feature set for our construction companies. In this way, we're actually a true partner in their digitization journey, and we don't just create software and just give it to them.
You'd be amazed how many opportunities there are to connect with customers.
From connected tools to increase digitalization of job sites with a variety of software that we can deploy, and owning data, then we can think of anything.
We're having a lot of cool projects coming down our pipeline. We're figuring out problems for our customers and making a huge impact in the construction industry at the moment.
When you step into Hilti, you really step into a performance culture.
What got me into it was the software aspect, right? And how can software help enable our hardware customers?
Everyone is willing to go the extra mile and accomplish something, value. You're always in a team that's about to win, so that's a good feeling.
Construction is not in my blood, but it's growing into my DNA on a day-to-day basis.
You can really have a global career in Hilti. We are present in over 7 countries wherein we have hubs.
Really, the sky's the limit in terms of where you want to go and what you want to do with it.
I love the building part. I love the real impact that we bring to the company in terms of sales.
Seeing all these customers using the software on a daily basis, getting such a good feedback, I mean, that's amazing.
What excites me, first of all, the tremendous possibilities that the cloud brings. So we can reach out to a tremendous number of users and still have our application be responsive and performant. One of the really interesting areas we're working on is mobile, to allow that user to take the application with them to the job site and be able to capture the information they need to provide the documentation.
We feel that we are at the cusp of something big. Hilti is making huge investments in the area of software because we simply see the opportunity to help our customers in driving productivity.
We are ready and well equipped to seize all digitization opportunities that will come along. I see a bright future ahead.